Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay tips and tricks. And whether you have been in China for a very long time or you are planning to visit China for a business purpose or what have you, and as a foreigner, there is one thing called Alipay Travel Wallet. How you can use it, how you can activate it, and how you can take advantage of Alipay Wallet to do transaction in China without any stress using your foreign bank card. Let me show you how. Open up your Alipay app. After you open up your Alipay app, go ahead and click on account. And the next thing you want to do is to click on travel wallet. On that travel wallet, it's going to take you right here. So what you need to do right here is to activate your travel wallet. And what does travel wallet mean? Travel wallet is a product designed to meet the spending needs of foreign tourists visiting China. It offers users a more cost-effective way to bring funds into China, allowing them to top up their travel wallet via cross-border remittance and use it for travel-related expenses within the country. This feature has a permanent entry in the My section after existing. You can find it under My Travel Wallet. No transaction fee for spending in China. Balance expected to arrive within 24 hours after remittance is completed. You can as well click on more details right here. Then here, read more detail about Travel Wallet Guide. Scroll down right here, you can see how to activate, how to top up, you can see the available balance after a successful top up and how you can use it. The more you scroll down, the more you read details about this particular features right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on here to go back to the home page. Now, how can you activate and top up your travel wallet in your Alipay? For that, go ahead and click on activate and top up.